Hey there! If you're diving into biology, there are some essential terms you absolutely need to know. Let's break them down together, nice and easy. First up, cells. Cells are the basic units of life. Everything living, from tiny bacteria to massive blue whales, is made up of cells. Now, cell theory. This super important idea says three things. All living things are made of cells. Cells are the basic units of structure and function, and all cells come from existing cells. Simple but powerful. The cell wall is next. It's a rigid layer outside the cell membrane, found in plants, fungi, and some bacteria. It gives support and protection. Speaking of plants, let's talk cellulose. It's a tough carbohydrate that makes up the cell wall in plants. That's what gives celery its crunch. Now, centrioles. These are tiny structures in animal cells that help organize the cell during cell division. Think of them as tiny traffic directors, making sure everything splits properly. The centromere is a region on a chromosome where two chromatids are joined together. During cell division, it's the spot that holds the partners together until it's time to pull them apart. Which brings us to chromatids. A chromatid is one half of a duplicated chromosome. When a cell divides, the chromatids separate so each new cell gets a full set. Chromosomes are long, thread-like structures made of DNA and proteins. They carry genetic information, basically the instruction manual for building and running an organism. Chloroplasts are little green organelles in plant cells. Their job? Capturing sunlight and turning it into energy through photosynthesis. That's how plants feed themselves. Cisternae are flattened, membrane-bound sacs inside cells, especially in structures like the Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum. They help package and transport proteins and other molecules. When animal cells divide, you'll notice a cleavage furrow. That's the indentation that forms as the cell membrane pinches in, eventually splitting the cell in two. And finally, the cell plate. In plant cells, instead of a cleavage furrow, a cell plate forms down the middle, eventually becoming a new cell wall that separates the two new cells. There you have it, some of the most important terms in biology, made simple. Keep these in your toolkit as you explore the world of life science. See you next time.